friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss 2 types of research. 1 descriptive, 2 analytical. Let's start with descriptive research. 1 descriptive research describes the state of affairs, like facts and figures, objects and situations as they exist at present. 2 research report on what has happened or what is happening. 3 descriptive research is normally used in social science and business research. For example, frequency of shopping, preferences of people. Let's move towards analytical research. 1 analytical research is about analyzing data. 2 the researcher uses facts or information that is already available and analyze these to make a critical evaluation of the material. 3 why the certain event happens is analytical research.